And Ari looked at me dead serious and said, "Be right back," and just ran away. Nice. It'll work. I got a flat tire. I'm not that happy about it. I think I'm just gonna deal with that tomorrow. Get it hopefully fixed. Hopefully I don't have to replace the tire. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And it's very flat. Last night, my friend Ari, who's next door, said that our other friend Joe has a tire repair kit, so I'm gonna try to fix it. Ari's helping me. He's got his jack here, and we're just gonna lift it up and kind of check it out and see if we can see what the problem is. Ari didn't have a breaker bar or anything like that, so I'm gonna go check and see if Joe does. He's our good buddy who's gonna give us the tire repair kit. Yeah, Joe's still asleep.
I left most of my tools in my car, which is in Vegas, so that doesn't help us at all. Let's go ask if Lina's got any tools.
Good idea.
He's solar charging. Yeah.
Fiero?
Yeah.
Like from Wicked?
Yes. Not the
Or
car.
not like- Speaking of Wicked, I have a flat tire.
No. Oh, Joe has a flat repair.
Yeah,
kit.
he's
Yeah.
still asleep.
I have a box of tools. You want to see what's in there? See if there's anything
Yes, please.
There's a box of surplus.
Bang my knuckles on
Let's
it.
see what's in here.
If I have the 19mm adapter.
You could tape your tire.
Yeah, that'll work.
Thank you.
Alright,
Thanks,
yeah,
Lina.
Hopefully that gets you somewhere.
Yeah.
I'm going to make this work. We're a little dead in the water at the moment.
Okay. What you got there?
So watch me try something stupid that might work.
Ari's gonna try something stupid that might work. Yeah, that worked.
Yeah.
Back to time lapse. Great success. This is so great that Ari's here because I'm probably a 1 out of a 10 in proficiency with cars. And Ari, you're at least a 3, right?
At least a 3.
Cool.
That's about accurate. I think that's your puncture right there.
Yeah, that's probably a rock.
Yeah.
So this is done.
We might be able to fix it.
This? Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
Wow. Okay.
It looks like Joe just got up. We gotta go get that repair kit from him.
Hey, Beans. Hey, Beansy. Hey, dog face. How you doing? Go on.
Let me make sure.
You also just woke up too, huh?
Yeah, I literally just woke up.
Okay. Well, hey, whenever you're ready to go with your...
It's gonna take me a minute, but I'll get the parts out at least so we can look at it.
Cool. Thanks, Joe. Joe's an awesome dude. He's been sharing firewood with us all week. That was his cool dog you saw. Said he's pretty proficient, so he's probably at least a 6 out of 10.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Yeah. So Ian just filled it up with the compressor.
Who's Ian?
Did I just call you Ian?
Yeah.
I don't know why I called you Ian. Sorry.
Do I look like an Ian?
Let the people online be the judge. Post in the comments if he looks like an Ian. We got some bubbles.
Because it's this little separate tiny puncture.
I think what we're gonna do is get Joe to come over and put maybe another one of these things in there if he can.
The spot you plugged isn't leaking at all. There's like a little tiny hole that seems like it's separate from the other stuff.
Oh, we probably should have let the air out of that tire before we did this. Oh well, you get a big burst of air when you pull that thing out.
So that's good, right?
Yeah, probably, if you filed out the hole, so... Got it?
Yep. That's a mess.
That's okay.
Compress it up again.
Yeah.
No bubbles, man.
Sweet.
Now we just have to get back on the car.
And that could prove to be a little difficult, but we'll see.
Look how low your
I know.
droop is on your wheel. Or did that sink down? That's not good, because we don't have anything to rest the car on to like lift it back up. Might also, I'm gonna try and lift it again with the jack, but
Yeah.
yeah, this is a really cheap jack. I don't recommend it. 0 out of 10, would not recommend.
0 out of 10.
Yeah, we're still way low for that. New problem.
We can't get the tire back onto the car because we can't jack it up high enough because Ari has a cheap jack. 0 out of 10 jackage. Just said, it's too bad we don't have a kazoo or something to stick on that so it makes a sound. And Ari looked at me dead serious and said, "Be right back," and just ran away. Nice. It'll work. Yes.
Oh my god. And try and slide the tire on with the air out of it if we can get it up there. I don't know how this is gonna go. Get on there.
Yes. Yes.
Wow, that was awesome.
10 out of 10. I think you gained an experience point in cars.
Level up.
Level up. We can put some air in. Let's see if Joe has a torque wrench. Do you happen to have an actual torque wrench around?
Joe apparently can program his arm to 90 pounds. I think we might have underestimated Joe. I don't think Joe's a 6 out of 10 if he can do that. He's gonna be like maybe a 12.
That's superhuman capability right there.
That was 90. The rest were 85. You're good to go, man. I trust it with my life.
All right.
Groovy.
Thanks, Joe.
I just went over there and asked him for that tire iron a little bit earlier. This whole thing would have been faster.
He was sleeping when that happened.
He's been up for most of this now.
Yeah, that's true. That is true. Facepalm.
I hope you're happy. My soup got cold.
Aw.
There's like still half of it left in there. Thanks, Tony.
Anyway, if you like this content, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Viking Multimedia, Ari's channel. We're gonna be doing some cool collabs along the way. Yeah, I'm gonna let you go.
I like the part about having more collabs though.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.